Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing the AYANEO Pocket EVO. The AYANEO Pocket EVO is a powerful Android gaming handheld with superior build quality with a 165Hz OLED display with powerful internals and a great versatility for emulation and cloud gaming. First, let's talk about its design and build. The AYANEO Pocket EVO boasts a sleek design but is relatively large for a pocket device. It weighs 478 grams with a premium build quality that includes Hall sensor, joysticks with RGB backlighting, HD linear motor for immense haptic feedback, and large grips for ergonomics during longer gaming sessions. The robust build enables better heat dissipation throughout the larger heatsink and fan. Next up, display. The Pocket EVO stands out with a 7-inch OLED display featuring a high 165 refresh rate with a 1080p resolution and support for HDR, sRGB, and DCI-P3. The display offers vibrant and smooth visuals for fast-paced gaming and streaming. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 processor, clocked at up to 15 watts, which ensures high performance in native Android gaming, game emulation, and cloud gaming as well. Various RAM and storage options are available, ranging from 8GB of RAM to 128GB of storage, or the more expensive model, 24GB of RAM and 2TB of storage, making it capable for handling demanding tasks with ease. Thanks to the device's large cooling system with an ultra-thin copper plate and a larger fan, the handheld can maintain high performance even during long gaming sessions. This feature makes it stand out from the other handhelds, which ensures that the Snapdragon G3X Gen 2 chip can continuously perform without overheating. Equipped with a very large 8600 mAh battery, the Pocket EVO promises extended gaming sessions compared to other Windows-based handhelds, depending on your usage. It should last multiple hours without the need of frequent recharging. For software, the Pocket EVO runs on Android 13 with AYASpace and AYAHome launcher softwares, offering clean and customizable UI for both gaming and media consumption. For connectivity, it has a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, micro SD card slot, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.3. Additional features include 6-axis gyroscope for precise control, a turbo key for quick performance boost, quick switching performance mode for adjusting the device on the fly, and sound tap magic sound vibration adds immense feedback while gaming. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth review of the AYANEO Pocket EVO. So see you next time, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. See you next time.